Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So, we have been discussing about chapter 19, Fundamental Operations. So, let's discuss homework answer first. Third question, add in that 8th one. The answer is 9ab plus 6b. Okay, 9th one, the answer is 80pq plus 10pr. 11th one, the answer is minus 4b. 12th one, the answer is minus 9b. 13th one, the answer is minus 8c. Okay. Next, fourth question, evaluate. First one, 6a minus 5a minus 2a. So, you have to do the subtraction here. And one more thing, here 6a, 5a, 2a. These four are like terms. Okay, you know what is like term? If all the terms have same literal coefficient, they are called like terms. So, here all the terms have the same literal coefficient a. Okay, so they are like terms. So, the subtraction of like terms you can find by subtracting their numeral coefficient. Numeral coefficient means subtracting the numbers in the terms. Okay, so here in this it is 6. In 6a it is 6. In a it is 1. A means 1a. Okay, so 6 minus 1. Next in 5a it is 5. So minus 5. Next in 2a it is 2 minus 2. Okay, so subtracting their numeral coefficient and then you can write the literal coefficient. So literal coefficient in all these terms it is a. Okay, so what you will get? 6 minus 1 it is 5. 5 minus 5 it is 0. 0 minus 2 it is minus 2. Okay, then you can write the literal coefficient. So minus 2a. This is the answer. Okay. So let me tell you one thing. For doing this, you should be thorough with addition and subtraction of negative numbers that you already studied in your 5th standard. Okay. Next, second question. 2b minus 3b minus b plus 4b. So 2b minus 3b minus b plus 4b. Here also all are like terms. 2b, 3b, b, 4b. Okay, so all are like terms having the same literal coefficient b. Okay, so you need to do the subtraction here. So you can do the subtraction of the numeral coefficients. So here in 2b it is 2. Numeral coefficient is 2 minus in 3b it is 3. In b it is actually b means 1b. Okay, so it is 1 minus 1. Then here it is plus. Next in 4b it is 4. Okay, now along with that you can write the literal coefficient. Okay, b equal to, now you can subtract and then add, that is 2 minus 3 it is minus 1. 2 minus 3 it is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1, that will be minus 2. Okay, minus 2 then plus 4. So you will get minus 2 plus 4 it is 2. Okay, so 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 4 it is, final answer it is 2. So 2, here the literal coefficient is b, so 2b is the answer. Okay, 2b minus 3b minus 1b plus 4b, you will get 2b. Okay, next 5th question. 8x minus 5y minus 3x plus 10y. Okay, so here you have to notice one thing. 8x and 3x are like terms. 8x and 3x, they are like terms. Okay, and 5y and 10y, they are another set of like terms. Okay, 8x and 3x, 5y and 10y. Okay, so let us first combine like terms together. Okay, for doing this, we have to first combine like terms. Okay, so 8x, next we can write 3x, but before 3x the sign is minus. Okay, in the question it is minus, so here also write minus 3x. Okay, so 8x minus 3x. Next you can write the remaining terms, that is 5y and 10y. So first you can write 5y, but before 5y the sign is minus. So here write minus 5y. Okay, next you can write 10y. 10y, before that it is plus sign. So here you can write plus 10y. Okay, so you just change the order, okay, by combining like terms together. So 8x minus 3x minus 5y plus 10y. Now you can subtract or add the like terms. Okay, so first you can subtract 8x minus 3x. So you know 8 minus 3, it is 5. So 8x minus 3x, it will be 5x. Okay, 8x minus 3x, it will be 5x. Next, minus 5y plus 10y. Okay, like that you have to take. Minus 5y plus 10y. Don't take just 5y plus 10y. Don't take like that, it is wrong. Okay, you have to take minus 5y plus 10y. So you know minus 5 plus 10, it is 5. Okay, so minus 5y plus 10y, it will be plus 5y. Okay, so this is the answer, 5x plus 5y. Okay, next fifth question, evaluate. First one, minus 7x plus 9x plus 2x minus 2x. Okay, so here minus 7x, 9x, 2x, all are like terms. Okay, so you can directly do the addition or subtraction. Okay, so how can you do the subtraction or addition? First, you can take their numeral coefficient. So here it is minus 7. Minus 7x, you can take a minus 7. Next, in 9x, you can take a plus 9. Next, in 2x, you can take a plus 2. Next, here it is minus. Okay, so put minus. Next, in 2x, you can do minus 2. Okay, here in my first term, don't take a just a 7. You have to take a minus 7. Okay, minus 7 plus 9 plus 2 minus 2. Okay, now you can write the literal coefficient. In all the terms, it is x. So, into x. Okay, now you can solve this. Minus 7 plus 9. Minus 7 plus 9, it is 2. You will get 2. Okay, next 2 plus 2. Okay, first we do minus 7 plus 9. We got the answer 2. Next you have to add plus 2. So what you will get? 2 plus 2, you will get 4. Okay, next we have to subtract 2. So 4 minus 2, you will get 2. Okay, so minus 7 plus 9 plus 2 minus 2, it is final answer, it is 2. 2 here you can write the literal coefficient x. So 2x. This is the answer. Okay. Next, fourth question. 19 ABC minus 11 ABC minus 12 ABC plus 14 ABC. So here 19 ABC, 11 ABC, 12 ABC, 14 ABC are all like terms. Okay, they all contain the same literal coefficient ABC. Okay, so while doing subtraction or addition of like terms, you can do the subtraction or addition of their numeral coefficients. Okay, so in 19 ABC it is 19. Okay, then in 11 ABC, here it is minus, so put minus. Okay, in 11 ABC it is 11. Then minus. Next in 12 ABC, the numeral coefficient, it is 12. Plus, now in 14 ABC, it is 14. Okay, now you can write the literal coefficient, that is ABC. Okay, now you can solve this. 19 minus 11, that you know. 19 minus 11, it is 8. Okay, now this answer, you can from this answer you can subtract 12. 19 minus 11, it is 8. Now 8 minus 12. So 8 minus 12, you will get minus 4. Okay, this will become plus. Now here you can put minus. So 12 minus 8 are 4. You can put the greater numbers sign, that is minus. So minus 4. Okay, next 19 minus 11 minus 12. Up to that we got minus 4. So minus 4 plus 14. So minus 4 plus 14. So 14 minus 4, it is 10. Okay, so 19 minus 11 minus 12 plus 14, you get 10. Okay, now you can write this literal coefficient ABC. So the answer is 10 ABC. Okay. Next, sixth one, subtract the first term from the second. In that third question, 3.5 ABC, 10.5 ABC. So here you have to subtract the first term, that is 3.5 ABC here. Okay, from the second. So from 10.5 ABC, you have to subtract 3.5 ABC. So first you can write 10.5 ABC minus then first term, that is 3.5 ABC. Okay, so these two are like terms. 10.5 ABC and 3.5 ABC are like terms since they contain the same literal coefficient ABC. So you can subtract their numeral coefficient, that is 10.5. Here the numeral coefficient is 10.5. Okay, in this 3.5 ABC, the numeral coefficient is 3.5. So minus 3.5. Now you can write the literal coefficient ABC. So what is the answer? 10.5 minus 3.5, you will get 7. Okay, 7. On subtracting, you will get 7. So 7. Now the literal coefficient is ABC. So the answer is 7ABC. Okay. Now fourth one, 3 1 by 2 mn, 8 1 by 2 nm. So you need to subtract the first term 3 1 by 2 mn from the second term 8 1 by 2 nm. So here it is given in mixed fraction. So first we can convert that to improper fraction. So 3 1 by 2. How can you convert to improper fraction? 2 into 3. First multiply like this. 2 into 3. Then you can add plus 1. So 2 into 3. 6. 6 plus 1, 7 divided by, now you can write the denominator in this. So 2, 7 by 2. Okay, likewise 2 into 8, 16. 16 plus 1, 17 by, in the denominator it is 2, so 17 by 2. Okay, so 3 1 by 2, we can write 7 by 2 mn. Okay, next term it is 8 1 by 2. In place of that we can write 17 by 2. Okay, 17 by 2 nm. nm and mn are the same. Okay, since multiplication is commutative, mn means m into n, nm means n into m. 2 into 5 and 5 into 2 both are the same. So mn and nm are the same. So we can write mn itself. Okay, in place of nm we can write mn. Now subtracting the first term from the second. So second term we need to write first, that is 17 by 2 mn. Okay, from the second term, that is from 17 by 2 mn, we need to subtract the first term, that is 7 by 2 mn. Okay, so what we will get? How can you do this? We can first, these two are like terms, 17 by 2 mn and 7 by 2 mn. These are like terms, so we can subtract their numeral coefficient, that is 17 by 2. In 17 by 2 mn, the numeral coefficient is 17 by 2. In 7 by 2 mn, the numeral coefficient is 7 by 2. So 17 by 2 minus 7 by 2. Okay, now you can write the literal coefficient, that is mn. Okay, so since the denominator is the same, we can subtract the numerators. So 17 minus 7, what you will get? 17 minus 7 divided by 2 into mn. We can write like this. Okay, so 17 minus 7, you will get 10. Okay, so 17 minus 7, it is 10 by 2 mn. Okay, what is 10 by 2? That is 5. Okay, so 5 mn. So this is the answer. Okay, now today's homework, exercise 19a, fourth question, 3, 4. Fifth question, second, third. Sixth question, first, second. Okay, do this as homework. This much for this class. Thank you.